Alright, so we're in an apartment. We just bought a building and we did a little digging here, a little discovery. And underneath all this plaster is 120-year-old brick. So we're going to spend some time, so it's just a lot of hammering just to chip it all away. So we'll do it in time lapse and you can watch the progress. We're done. I think it took us 2 hours times 2 guys. So then the last thing to do is just to keep scrubbing to get this down to the nice red brick, and then we'll give it a nice coating that'll give it a wet look so that it really pops. So that's how you do it. And here's the finished product.
Oh yeah.